What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angele Altieri. If this is your first time here, and welcome to the video today. It's a sneaker unboxing out from not posting 2 days in a row. So yeah, we have a sneaker unboxing. If you can't tell by the box, even though I thought one boxes were red now. Anyways, if you can't tell from the box, it is a Nike Jordan. So, gosh, there goes freaking that dollar value off the shoe. So if you're interested in what Jordan I will be reviewing, all the details, you know the deal, you know the drill, and you know the vibes. Let's get it. Also today I'm at a different angle than usual, just because. So yeah, today I am reviewing the Air Jordan High Royal Toe, wearing my Supreme like royal blue shirt. Goodness, where's the info? There's the info. I have a size 8. That's all I was able to get. So let's get into this. Maybe I'll compare it to my royal ones, because these are royal toe. Here are the shoes. So here are the shoes. Again, these are royal toes, because you got the royal on the toe box, honey. The retail price is $170. So my sales tax and state tax, it went up to $196 and change, so a little under $200. These released May 9th, 2020, so I'm what, a month and a week late, 5-6 weeks late. But I did catch these on a restock. I did get this pair off of a restock from the foot site. So this is from Champs, and I used a slot from Slot's Kitchen. This is sponsored by Slot's Kitchen. They are a free Discord group that runs your payment profiles on bots to help greatly increase your chances of securing limited items such as Jordans, Yeezys, other sneakers, Supreme, all that jazz. So thank you to Slot's Kitchen for sponsoring this video and helping me secure the bag. So yeah, we have the royal blue toe panel, a black leather panel right here, and this is white with the black swoosh and the Air Jordan Wings logo in white. Interesting with this pair versus other toe pairs, like a red toe. It's usually this black panel right here is this black wing panel right here would usually be the color of the colorway, but instead they have the royal blue around the ankle area, which I mean, I would prefer the wing panel to be royal blue. In my opinion, that would be preferred. You have flat black laces with an extra pair of royal blue laces if you wanted to switch them out or put them together. I've done that with my All Hallows Eve. I put both of my laces together. I wanted to compare. Look how tiny. This is my personal pair of Royals from what, 2017. Look how tiny they are. This is 4.5, this is an 8. It's almost like half the size. So cute. I love these. I used to wear them all the time. They're just like lower in the stack of my collection, so I don't wear them as often. But I used to rock this. I used to rock this as an outfit. I miss these. So yeah, if you just compare, same toe box and black panel around that, but here on this side, of course, different color blocking, because this is a royal toe and this is a royal. So they do have different color blocking. We have a black panel here versus the white. and the blue swoosh versus black over here. Bring it down lower. There's no white at all in this shoe. So the heel panel is royal blue versus black over here. The wing here is also royal blue, which, like I said, I would have preferred on this shoe instead of the black, because then you have to have the wing, the Air Jordan wing logo in white, which I don't like. They could have done blue perhaps, but I don't like it in white. It's just too extreme for me. Here it's black with the black ankle panel, the blue ankle panel here, and I only got black laces for this, I feel like, but that's also because it's a kid size. So yeah, that was my quick comparison. I love these. If I had to choose, if this was in my size, which I would prefer, it would be the Royals, not the Royal Toes. Can you hear my fan? I almost forgot to film an outro. Actually, I did forget to film the outro, but good thing I'm still in makeup. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, hit the like button down below. Comment what you think about this release and the color blocking of this royal toe. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification if you're feeling froggy. I'm trying to do a new upload schedule, which is Thursday and Sunday, so hit the bell notification to be notified every time I upload. If you like me and you like this video, share it to a friend, one friend, all your friends, Instagram, Twitter. I link all my social media down below. I link my Mercari down below if you're interested in any of the makeup I'm selling. I'll also be posting a link to join Slot's Kitchen down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in the next one.